Chicken gizzard or heart are what we are going to clean in today's video. This was very easy and quick to do. I hope you are going to love it and the video is going to be very helpful. If today is the first time here, we do cooking recipes, very simple ones, and if you are interested, do not hesitate please to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free, okay? And I have my gizzard and heart here. I'll just go ahead and wash it very well and then we clean it. So when you buy your gizzard, you may see those yellowish things there, or you may not see it at all. So with mine, I have a lot and I'm just going to clean it with you. Thank you so much. My name is Lena and welcome once again. My returning subscribers, thank you for clicking on my videos all the time. I do appreciate it. So when you want to remove that and it is not easy to open, you can just use your scissors to cut it and you are good to go. With my heart, I mean my chicken heart, not my heart. I do massage it and see if I can remove the blood clot. Sometimes when you buy it, you may see some blood clot in there, so I massage it, and when I have some in, it just come out and I remove it. Okay, with this I did not get some inside. Okay, when you want to remove that and it is not easy for you, you can as well use your knife to scratch it, and that will be very easy. You can see this was very easy and quick to do so. Sometimes you may be able to remove everything, but the place will still look yellowish. It does not mean you did not do it well, but that is how it's supposed to be. Okay, thank you so much for your time and I do appreciate it. How is your week going? I hope you are ready for the Christmas. In case you did not get anything from your partner, please, I beg you, do not have any misunderstanding with them, okay? Because another day will come and you are not supposed to feel happy only on Christmas, okay? So another day will come, and so far as we have life, we have everything. Thank you so much. I am done with everything. I will wash it very well and then wash it with my salt. Okay, so that is the salt I've added. I wash it very well, strain it, and then I'm going to wash it again with my lemon juice. You can use vinegar, but I don't have it at this moment, so I'll be using my lemon juice. After that, this is how the gizzard is looking. So beautiful and perfect. This was very easy, and let me know if it was helpful. Thank you and see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself and love yourself first. See you in the next one. Bye.